Here we are children, we are studying a very important topic called refraction. So what happens children, there is a glass slab you see, and we did an experiment in the previous video where we saw that when light ray is incident obliquely on a glass slab, then it changes the direction of its path. So I have drawn that over here, that this is a glass slab, and we did the experiment where we put two nails over here or pins over here, and from the other side we saw and tried to make make all the four pins. We put two more pins to come in line, and then when we traced out the path, we saw there is a bending of light. So the change in the direction of path of light when it travels from one medium to another medium is called refraction. Here it is written. The change in the direction of path of light when it travels from one medium to another medium, that is called a refraction, the bending of light when the light is incident oblique. So that is known as refraction. Now refraction follows two important laws, you can say. When light travels from optically rarer to optically denser medium, it moves towards the normal, and when it travels from optically denser to optically rarer medium, it moves away from the normal. So again we have to understand what are optical mediums. First we have to understand that optical mediums are all those mediums through which light can travel. It can be plastic, transparent plastic materials, it can be glass, it can be water, it can be vacuum, it can be air, it can be gases. So those are optical mediums. Now in the optical medium, light travels with different speeds. It travels the fastest in vacuum, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and you know it is denoted as C. Speed of light in vacuum is denoted as C. You remember that famous Einstein equation, E is equal to mc square, that C is C is velocity of light in air or vacuum. Now second is speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second approximately, and the speed of light in diamond is 1.24 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now optically denser mediums are those mediums in which relatively the speed of light is slow. So diamond among all these three medium is optically denser. Vacuum is optically rarer. That is why it is there is no other thing rarer than vacuum. But this optically denser and rarer medium is comparative. Like suppose I take up glass, so I can say glass is optically denser than vacuum, but glass is optically rarer than diamond. So what are optically denser medium? Those medium in which relatively the speed of light is less. And what are optically rarer medium? Those medium in which speed of light is more, relatively more. So that is the important part we have to study. Now when a light ray travels from a rarer medium to a denser medium, it moves towards the normal. And when light ray travels from denser medium to rarer medium, it moves away from the normal. These are the two important, these are the two important characteristics of light. Thank you.